ya upeo kuhusiana na kesi ya kupinga uchaguzi. Namuona Profesa Kindiki Kithure pia vile akiwa anawakilisha upande wa Kenya Kwanza, hususan mgombea urais na vile mteule rais alikuwa akiongoza ama ni kiongozi wa chama cha UDA William Ruto, akiwa pamoja ameandamana na Bi Veronica ambaye ni katibu mkuu wa chama cha UDA Veronica Maina hapo, akiwa ni miongoni mwa baadhi tu ya watu mashuhuri ambao wengi ni mawakili ambao wameweza kufika katika mahakama hiyo kuanza kujitayarisha kusikiza jinsi mwelekeo na mwongozo utakavyokuwa unatolewa. Picha ya karibu sana nafikiri namuona hapo wakili Stephen Mwenesi akiwa pamoja na Profesa George Wajakoya wakisalimiana kwenye picha hizo za moja kwa moja kutoka mahakama ya upeo. Tutakuwa pia vile tunajumuika na wanahabari wetu Chemutai Goin pamoja na Zuya Walter ili watuingize katika mahakama hiyo punde tu shughuli zitakapokuwa zinaanza rasmi. Lakini nafikiri kwa mchana huu ama asubuhi ya leo na hadi kuelekea mchana tutakuwa tunasalia katika mahakama hiyo kusikiza shughuli zinavyoendelea.
Naam, zikiwa zimesalia takriban dakika
candidates and other positions. So whether there were any differences, discrepancies between the votes that were cast for presidential candidates and other positions. Another issue is whether the IEBC carried out verification, tallying, and declaration of results in accordance with the Constitution. Did they, in fact, or rather did the IEBC, in fact, carry out verification, tallying, and declaration of results in accordance with the Constitution? And of course, in terms of President-elect William Ruto, whether he attained a 50% plus one vote of the total votes cast in accordance with the Constitution. And whether there were irregularities and illegalities of such magnitude as to affect the final results of the presidential election. In terms of the timelines that we're looking at, we do know that we are looking at, in terms of the pre-trial conference, because it will be setting the way forward as the hearing commences tomorrow. Raila Odinga, in terms of time and time allocated, 3 hours. Supporting petitioners have 30 minutes. The youth advocacy, 30 minutes. And Chebukati and the commissioners have been given 3 hours to share. That is the IEBC commissioners, as well as IEBC Chair Wafula Chebukati. And of course, also in terms of President-elect William Ruto, 3 hours as well, just like Raila Odinga's 3 hours. So 3 hours for President-elect William Ruto and 3 hours for Raila Odinga. The AG, 30 minutes. And for Cherera, that is IEBC Commissioner Cherera, as well as other commissioners, 15 minutes. The amicus curiae will write their submissions. And this is what was detailed earlier today during the pre-trial conference as regards the timelines and the way forward as the hearing begins. Just a reminder once again that another development is that the Supreme Court has ordered the IEBC to open ballot boxes from 15 polling stations to be opened for inspection, scrutiny, and recount. And as we wait for the 7-judge bench to sit and continue the pre-trial conference, they will be ruling on whether the affidavits which were filed outside the required timelines will be admitted as evidence for the presidential petition challenging President-elect William Ruto's victory. The court adjourned until 4 p.m., that is today, Tuesday, and it is now 20 minutes past 4, and we will be waiting for them to resume with the pre-trial conference as we await other directions and instructions from the 7-judge bench as regards tomorrow's hearing. So earlier, we also had lawyers that were appearing for various petitioners and correspondents complaining of being served with responses and rejoinder submissions late. And this is the issue before the court now, and that is what we're waiting for the court to decide or deliberate on the way forward as regards these late submissions. The late admission of affidavits. Will be waiting to hear from the Supreme Court on and they have set 9 grounds for determination. This is a matter that has come before the Supreme Court, that is the election all are upstanding as we await for the pre-trial conference to continue at the Milimani Law Courts.
Thank you muno Windrose Wagui.